B and a 20 tournament Black Satellites and Bobina started on the 17th of October. Now Kwakobi on the 31st of October 2024. Ntiano and said no one and so sitia. Jere honsem edama wanano paya wonsu who said no one nano and so a sequence who bomb paya na if bomb paye edama o my Ghana say Black Satellite and a 20 no and so jinakono from 17th of October or monsu be kona fe o makwa jinam e Kenya na fe bibia and so etimi akoko so and so etimi edi amaye no ene nsema efri ho ba me de etu ani mene and so e wo dwumadie no so na won say we no obom paya maye sa na ebeboa na afi nkra na tima wurewura mu a na omo so atimi aba aba hye yem blasters na aboa ama no ma enso atimi akoso we no ekoso e Togo nti sa pepe e na ho nsensem so tia me de etu anim enso e wo dwumadi ne so ye free ho na afi ye ndi nkomo enso e wo eye division 1 a eno so e start ene dayin na afi ye mfa fetches ene e to dwa no emfa nto anim ene enso e wo dwumadi ne so dia ene na eye division 1 no enso e start na zone 1B Tachiman Liberty Youth and the Mighty Royals and a airball away Wenchi Sports Stadium I ho and a game no and bus live and so Globe TV na fe Ghana Football Association mo app na so ntu koswa wonsu betimanya biahwe na watimi ahu se no man enso esi ko 3 pm ne game no and so bus nyaport na Victoria Club and so any Tachiman City and a Ebonti Victoria Club Warriors and Tachiman City and so the bomb no and so beba TV ne so a unso betimi anya biahwe nyamport na 3 pm Wenchi Sports Stadium na sa game no and so eba so ho sensem no jade air2 ani mene and so ewo dwumadi no so na ye di division 1 komo ne de yanko nimadu biase na afi yankonko boys ye ni komo and so ho emfa mfiri wo mra na video we no video a omo enso onvili omo enso players a omo enso atimi asane omo we coaches nyeni kanko players ne so ye wie players ne pe na afi atimi aba coaches no so yankonko boy sei ena omo enso di tuja.
Hello, New Edubiase. My name is Philip Amo. I'm happy to.
Anunti we New Edubiase Division 1 nim na mbesi akan a omo enso value omo players a Jankonko an as a players ni nano enso kekatrom supporters no mo hwe sa video mbe konko an afei omo enso atimi ya take it do mewuram e wo Ghana Premier League ni ma omo nso betimi asi akan se bibia toto din enso atimi di mo omo a next season twe no omo ba bebo ahweso betimi qualify na no e no omo enso coaches a afei omo di omo di djuma no nso omo atimi a value omo a yenko na yenhwe nsem a coaches enso de tuja.
I'm Yakub Mambo Sharif, head coach, New Edubiase FC. This year's league will not be easy for us, but I'm 100% sure that New Edubiase will lift up the trophy, inshallah.
My name is Masaoud Alabira. I'm an assistant coach of New Edubiase Football Club. Frank Ando, goalkeepers coach of New Edubiase Football Club.
My name is Yusuf Mohamed. I am the physical trainer of New Edubiase Football Club.
I'm Samed Ibrahim, general captain of New Edubiase United.
I'm Al Hassan, deputy captain of New Edubiase United.
I'm Suleiman Ali Isaka. I'm third captain of New Edubiase United Football Club.
Tinese New Edubiase ena edo mu coaches di omo captains a almost don't be more division 1 nim season way the 2024-2025 season as a new adobiase and so etimi adom coaches or captains and as a coach a friend Yakubu Mambo or no former Ash Gold and so a coach or no so timi akwa kubra new adobiase a na se bibiano and course ye and so timo ye free one afei ye ndi Premier League in Komona ye di Premier League in Komodia ya weekend games be brinano and so na etimi abaso e Ghana Premier League ni ma starting yampo chena wa bra games ahudo be brinano and so etimi abaso yanko na afei coaches ne nsam a omre etu to jano yanko na yanko enkonko tie bi starting nsam no e dey free the defending champions akache Samaten ti say we Samaten sa o ma kire say ampa omo enso atimi aba omo atimi asambo he omo na ohede wi omo enso eti ko omo stadium ho na boys ne ba na coaches no enso ne nam ho na boys no enso ne nam ho a otimi say yes omo enso atimi aba back to base omo ba be starting afei omo enso atimi defend omo enso league title na eno ene said ye no man enso esi ekwa me de ho 79 no enso to anim ewo dwumadie no so na yanko weekend yi omne eye vision na ewo coach aye friend Nuruddin Amadu ye head coach e ma team aye friend Samates wadin komana ne komodie no kire say vision for them ha adwen season we kra no omunu su match ntie ya de game no umbe ye din pa.
If you want to rely on past glory, it will not work. You need to have a look at the internal concentration of a bad leaking and so. And so, if you are the new entrance in our Moya idea, it's a vision and motivation. Accra Lions, like I said, they are yet to lose a match. They are doing very well, so we have to be very, very serious with them. And being our first match, we at home after a goal as Bebono, I think we need to win and then to restart our campaign for the season. So I think that we are preparing very well.
Ndiano ne temwa coach Nuruddin Amadu ere tuja match omne vision mebono wadi ka chekire mu ne se wi anoman enso ko na ebusa na sa afi no send no beti fa first games because obi eba be ba odim say Samates the defending champions on to mayiro omo ho eno so say no kan edefa ho.
Rely on past glory, it will not work. You need to have a look at a new fresh chapter na baby this season. So we being the former champions, we are no bar. It's going to be tough. So you need to gather the pieces and then go strongly even than that season. If you want to rely on past glory, it will not work.
The coach your friend Nuruddin say omuntimi rely on past glories. O match league netwam this time around no so omo so atimi approach games na differently say be ya enkurimde ni beba na for mo enso atimi ayro mo na first church one sense omo bo visions nyampa weekend ti omo wie pe midweek omo bo e bebia ni goes that omo wie pe na so omo sign a travel na owura no edin komo e fa sa fixtures no.
What is worrying is that Sunday matches in the way now no na. I think that the authority should have done something about it because so we are winning the whole ball. That was our ball, like Karela. Oba was our ball. This time is fine. We have been playing, so it's very tiring. I think that something must be done about it, but that always stand on no. When they match in the day, I think that we need to go all out and then to restart our campaign and see how far we can go during the season.
I know I coach your friend Nuruddin Amadu somewhere or no any two na onu din komo e fa fixtures pile up now if I say ba fast and take no sound so na ukọ Bebiani Gold Stars head coach your friend Paul Manso so the same thing or no can edify matches enso ebono yenti ensem no enso de tuja
covering. Look at the distances we are covering. Look at Bebiani to Pando, and then from Pando you have to also play on Wednesday at Samaraboy. Imagine if you put the two distances together. I mean, it's not. I wouldn't say it's not fair, but for us, I think it will be a bit difficult for us in terms of recovery and then the other things. Other than that, I think.
no ene nsɛm a ɔpani no enso de to the coaches no edin komo enso de fa fetches ano enso eba fast and take no wa yede ho nsɛm ede eto ani mediama enso ebo na mediama bo omo no omo enso eya ade a bibia no ekoi enso de mo season we no omo enso entimi enlusi match na no omo coach a yefa ni boza cap enso etimi edin komo ewo season we lucia omo enso entimi enlusi match no.
Like you told, the excellent feeling is inside our team. Perfect moment for us. We opened very well competition in Premier League, and this is something what is always important. Especially we didn't concede in the first 2 matches 2 clean sheets for our goalkeeper. This is also one thing what is giving us more confidence and more positive energy, and really very good atmosphere is in the team. Like you told, the excellent feeling.
No, and someone couple and so etimi edit to the Japasu and so a player at my team, my friend Mediama, or no and so a dinkomo or more and so facing Holy Stars. No, Yanko, Yinti and someone Japasu and so the Tuja.
The player that I normally look up to, it's like as a midfielder, we learn a lot from the senior midfielders. I came to meet a lot of midfielders here, and then normally I watch like Tony Cruz and stuff just to combine it to my style of play.
Japasu Diano no, there's a Tony Cruz and kakra. Nyoma enso ekoso Chelsea enso ene kotoko nebo weekend yi Zakaria Fuseni enso atimi adi nkomo ho a yeba enso atimi edi ato ani ewo dwumadi no so na de tia ne se o guest no krati asem de ntia ne se o fayanga do ko FIFA gidi esi na se o me ne fa kwan bi so a ense na emfata ndo ne coin na se FIFA tena asem so hwehwe mu rewura mu tietie mu no o gidi esi o guest no kra o case na ne case no won nti omabu enso e de amana $24,000 ese Janga enso etimitua Young African so etimitua edema abrante fe no guest no kra saa de we na babon trom say within 45 days so etimitua sika no edema abrante ntimi no ka say da do kofia o guest no kra or the powder gu no ho o boshire $24,000 Mr. Branton abon is a passing to noble 24 Fancy. Nyamiadum
nkrofo mu de okobo mo ayana sa but duma bi ade ba ko ne say FIFA ya na skanaba Simba fonso kra ye ni bibi sa
Simba fonso ye bibi ntebia will be motivate no asande omo so
akọ ne kwan bia so ska de dwuma de say Bible kra say ma pa ni akatu ana wonim say Bible
ndi sa pepe ska na ye ne dia wakwaje 24 video kama ebi wo mpa
and so Angli and Zamalek Super Cup a big game kofo we de o mi de as Saudi Arabia fanachi bibia boso
bibia yo mo dia bibia sika ya de yo sika ya de yi o
mo bia na da na o nye bibia na yesu
bibia bo
masa
o bia bo sika ya de yi sika ya de yi tipe bi o
yes aprana so ya kwamano ne na ya the foreign news sama ya che for enano pay na medican ya to say na ana bobo fans ugly omo ensom ana Zamale komo game ana chesa ba so dwumadia eno eba so our Saudi Arabia when ya dwumadia fans aye Super Cup and our Africa sans ugly omo team no eje aye Cup Champions League Ghana Zamalek and so side womo so genia kind of confederations no ensom na de ko to omo mienu na chesa na uram ensom our Saudi Arabia omo game also Barcelona nyina no eno so Barcelona mum di kama me aye JC na womo me yenu so abahye sanse no se boboku a ye fan san Zamalek the white night omo ye side ya no omo no womo so attention ya ye kan sa white JC na mum di amensa kan sa na we enso aye se do omo ho fama no eno so abesia koboboku a ye fan sa ugly omo sha ye red achese no aye traditional aye colors no Zamalek team no enso asha black JC a eno aye nyoma no so course enra na unum sa wa bra beto twase referee na wono so mafi aye Libya aba bedi sa game no enso abaso na ye fan sa Mutans Ibrahim on na koba sa aye 3 days ago and beto twase Zamalek committee no enso resu consensus adaba adan a wo say enye we na bedi aye Champions League now ya matches Angli Boboku no womo share with that edge almost onwa I don't see empeno amatches Boboku ye fan Samuel come start to Sanyo mano and some other banners ring no aye Kafon so point area na ana sa game abaso na Ghana time no and some ideas are bo aye no sia ana sa game abaso I know your gamer Boboku is ugly almost no Samuel team no and some other bo atches I want something no ye de Emma ye tell France our show no Enra my friend to them so ram and some our Italia womu game and about our brass no and some iron can say by Italia we aye Boboku say Napoli Boboku no na say Napoli form no bra and manager France Antonio Conte and some I sound squad anymore was some call a yadesa back four now so back four in no womu some nasha makumako enum and some Palermo and so Antimi and what game no I'm a branch na your fan says Sarah and Gonji ono and some about first two goals I'm a team no one Jesus about 10 goal and what you David Neres Esho go enra and a branch says Scott McTominay and some about go enra and a game about watch as an Tominay no and some shall go on some tema about some McTominay shall go Emma Napoli one of some Kisi I yet Napoli on budget to shot Cabanyama Mia when some moment Aquadana your fan said Tominay Kisi aye Napoli omo badgeno ama chesanus Resinia ye fan some consensus and some ataba na report to me say kind of a player ye fan say Tomine say ye want to just a dream come true and so the man is obenya time about ball and some ama Napoli our brother be a game no about our stadium aye Diogo Armando Maradona ho now say she go ediamo team no na chesanum aye plus at the manner one some that me sad to be enra na dia me say and was a gamer and also no one of them report I mean and say yes I'm to Totonia you can say smoke bombs and so other buy our smoke bombs from 2 year and some other banning in Annam so I'm a place to baby that's a crack about Sabia Basana was so at risk into the American can say I such and some about me about our Bramo Musia can Napoli woman supporters and what Mujinamo and some Ama Palermo supporters in woman some to me asutria and kakra almost where and some like the Abraham Samuno yet the Emma yet for anano pay and some our shows and some our Europe animo and Amomatches Abasana Jamesa can say yeah but Europa League games and Retty ebi some so chess enra and to okay a Wednesday and some any Thursday at your bomber Jamin say red cars appear eno aye makoma ko 10 na chese plus na fani agogo mu dinka na adeba ko ne senra ayade se Tottenham omoso akoda ba ko a won some abeki ne W enra wo ba the first official game and some our Europe am Tottenham team no ye fano Radu Dragosen won so akonya straight red card a chese ha twen obi a wo first game and some our Europe am team no won some akonya red enra no and ma bobo kala sa Tottenham wo some 10 against 11 and a Borges and what game every year now Sansa Karabag Abdam FK woman from Nanyadientino woman Tottenham Eddie Chasa Red Carter now about 8 minutes away no Ninatino woman from Eluzu 3-0 I'm Tottenham Bobokon Enra and Brennan Johnson and about first goal and Papa Matassa one about second goal and Dominic Solanke and some other about so now and all money Tottenham game no and some delay Nina so almost say when I Chasania can say Abasa travel about London and some Abasha match Libya one some I traffic and send some amateur some more drive a miles away a bit drive a kilometers away and nunti one anti start match and time amania you can say traffic at Chibobokua you found some Karabag up damn and nunti and I just Emma and Romo game no and some delay now report from a second saying Enra, when we a game and a coach na your fans are Gubanov. One and a coach Karabago say, and you say your more excuses. Lemon on take anything away from Tottenham. Tottenham I side the Omni Bonobo. Now so 3 of us and what Jabakwa had to say. One more traffic mono, one more some other do stadium 40 minutes later. And I catch one say in 40 minutes time. I was up Bonobo. And almost you grab traffic Mukrano. None I was saying Cassia kwan bi so a yɛbɛfa ɛde ababa yɛ background no police ni bi ɛne hɔ a na ɔguide ɛyɛ team no ɛne wɔtim ɔmo yɛ adwuma traffic mu anka bi a wɔn so ɛbɛbiem ama kyɛ sɛ boys yi ɛnso aba ntɛm no nyinaa no wɔbi yɛn nso anyɛ saa adwuma no ama side a yɛfa no sa karabag nti yɛba na mo ka kyɛ sɛ bi a yɛabrɛ ne nyinaa akyi 40 minutes time match ɛba so a wɔn tiri yɛba sɛ nom ɛtɛki biribi ɛnso mafiri ɔmo ahoɔden mu a ɛno ɛnenam so ɛma kyɛ sɛ no a game no wɔn sa lose 3-0 ɛwɔ abra na wɔn numerical advantage ɛnso ɛwɔ saa match no mu ɛno nso ayɛ update ɛba ho nsɛm no yɛde ɛma yɛkyɛ for ɛno a game nipa wɔn so ɛba stadium ɔmo say ayɛ traffic ɛnsɛnsɛm no nti ɛno a ɔmo ama toto na mom ne 51,757 ɔmo ɛnso ɛba Tottenham stadium hɔ a wɔn so ɛbɛhwɛ match no bi ɛno a manager yɛfa no sɛ Jose Mourinho ɛnso ɛwɔ fie was a 2-1 now for no Bochi womuso ana Union St. Gilloy almost game no basso now for no Bochi wobokono womu win 2-1 enra womu di red ama Junior Fono womuso anya red card enra game no aye kaglaso nyuchu ono and about first go ama team no Christian aye Borges abo on goal and some other boy for no Bochi and Sana 90+2 we aye Ross Skies ono and I just ball aye go bako and some other Union St. Gilloys Chesano, and so I game and run also basso. Now, manager first Jose Mourinho say, Wusha any Jumedia what Diana Chesorano, what the different teams Emma Kuma Kunai, and some and Aqua Europe, our Praweno, I am more than any other manager. Now, just start to say your popo, any coaching job, I start to say Abasunino, Yamina coach, one of the different teams, Aqua Europe, and I change Jose, as I said, Jose Adibabakua, Yafanasa Benfica, a fair porto. And it just had Chelsea Inter Milan and watch Real Madrid and Man United. I had Tottenham Hotspur and Roma and I felt for a bunch of Omunano and some Roma was Europe. I know I had Jose and so Adaroma. Yet the update am I yet for an pay and some our Shonos Unra and some all a league animal. Jamen can say Bobo Kua, your fans Espanol. Woman some and Via boy, I'm a Via Timono, Woman Kosha Espanol 2-1 and I saw Tavigo and some our few 1-0 and some other Maletico Timono at the 90th minute and Julian Alvarez or no I make a difference. I'm at Chesendra was the only Godama side. Your fans are Letico and Dominion Sarafina. What is some Okodi Enra? I Espano and Via will give a shock for no mommy. Yes, it would do much of ye. Well, rum and some our town anymore. When we also be out to bottle the shitty trim. Yes, anybody say so. We joke dressing room out the Iowa Jordan here. Now, I do about concern. Yes, Espanyol supporters in the GDA Bassa referee, what the results actually team and a buy. Woman and Jim Motumpana referee now, your friends Alejandro Quintero Gonzalez, Apoino, and it's a man and Robinson Toa, a shitty team. Yes, or you're fortunate on one casa, and when you put on top botono, and on a catch your security phone, and no pani pakra and chakra. Woman, some now when you put on tosa botono, and some other bar referee team. I'm a chess and no Casanino. And no some Ababe Kakefi Amaswaya at the Abaletico game Enra. I go keeper Jean Oblak or no and a man of the match award. Domobusan Enra say, what a man of the match award San Ranyawa and Kamulu Susansa were your 2 great saves also. Where a goalkeeper 10. The moment Tabakasawo and other post in Munkwadi and no matches any cross on my ball at all net into Senra or make 2 great saves and Nunti what a man of the match award and a Juma and also some other Timino, Anamubusan saying Yama weekend more Madrid derby and Yabiano, I will fear Money Real Madrid and a ball. Wine and a favorite. Goalkeeper say on to Mintra, I yet Tim or your favorite. I am very difficult. So Abacasabia Real Madrid, Abasha, and Asabia Wonum Atletico Fono, and some Abasha Diego Simeone, and what Diego Pablo Simeone, your coach, I'm Atletico. Wamubusa manager, Sam Moso weekend more Madrid derby. Or some Madrid, and no more rival. And no more Madrid and your also Masia League in a Real Madrid and Count Cry. One more Atletico for them, one more rival. FC Barcelona, Barca, and League, you know, and it's Atletico Airport and some man the Achira Kasua, and your Real Madrid comedy as some young Quadacra was a Barca Timono, and some Atletico rival, and Kakan Free Manager and some Abba Enra, a branch of I go as pass or no, a bonny gamer, a Tosuma 500, Emma Bobokua, your fan South Africa, and one, that's answer what Bachapa, now a job I couldn't say. Bueno, record Wabe and Chesa, Wabe the second player, what drew San number, Ama South Africa, yes in 1981, Arabian your father said Manolo, or no, and to me and your South feet, Emma Saita, your father South, and I'm no casino, I go Aspas Enra, and some abon game number 500, I just know, I update to Abba Hunsamino, yet Emiata for Lami Jamal, I was 17 years now, Katana, your father said Jamal, and come on, say, Rebel Lewandowski, according to Manafi, and I'm a publisher. On Lami Yaman was say, and now obey to me the necessity in the ball, and some Akasa ball, I boy, Winka be annual, as I say, we are the best, and I said, we are better, and some actual Lami Jamal, and till Lami Jamano were free good, and some act free better comparatively. So say, we're the best winger, our Bonimo, and I ask Lewandowski, and so I do to Giant Robert our bra. Now also as Lami Jamal Emrani.
Now will be easy to say. Of course, I see him as a best player, winger like in the world. But of course, he is 17 years old.
Same.
And from one side, I don't want to talk too much about him because I know what does it mean if you are in this age, and even that you have potential to become one of the best in the world, not only as a winger, but as a football player. Football career is so long. Sometimes it's not important how you start. More important is how you finish or how will be the next years, not 2-3 years, but next 10.
Yes, I know I just am Mania Branch Fanasa Robert Lewandowski, no, what the Malami Yamasa age 17, Aquadan and Namano Kasai, why the best winger, and so our game now football, and yesterday be about to starting here, and mom, Serbia Motoba. Over maintaining consistency. I can say we are formed there to me a tempera. You can class. I know I am permanent. I don't know idea here. Now our football at the Marco Danesans or no Lewandowski no bra. When you know who be our boy anymore. I do back when I say what calculate the next year 15 years. Lami Jama Benya 32. Enti akwadano born the obabacho na ose and social media no so baswa he utiminya futu ewo ho utiminya bash na ho ntena enkwadana ba no social media no munyumani influencers social media na ye kasai Lami Yama praise him hallelujah sa beduru bebom say yensi na bonku no enti Lami Yama social media ho ne dia bama awose wuyi wadwe firi so kwa ukotie nsama wo mo ka social media ebeduru bebi no ye pejao ebeduru baby yaroba shofom enom aya football Lewandowski adama bansa akwara ne yentie na football no so.
I see the new generation, they have huge challenge from them in the social media, and the people how they thinking, starting to think is so difficult because one day you are the hero, and next day you are like on the ground because the people don't see what's going on, how difficult it is. And I'm sure that for Lami now everything's going well, so it's perfectly, and I wish for him as well that going like that in the next year, but in football.
Yes, not just a broad penny two now. Quite on a funny no. I update about what down for Eric Ten Hag. Says problems at Manchester United FC and it's on the campo at the Atwat anymore. And no a major problem. Emma Bobokua, your friend of mine also born here. My almost to me bad dominating and also say, yeah, one back at the Atwat no, and a problem. Emma Manchester United.
You always work into a season you have to build it. The structures in defending, structures in possession, of course, you start with the build-up. I think we have the structures there quite right. We across I think almost all the games we have more possession as the opponent. But then it's about what are you doing with your possession, and I think we bring the ball into the final third. We bring the ball even into the box a lot, but now we have to take more advantage, more benefit from it.
Yes, young comrade 9:30, Yabana, Yari Jakani, Nana Baba Soso, and Yama more latest upon the yard, young comrade.
Beer.